next one is we can increase the security by disk encryption. So the disk encryption helps you to encrypts the Windows and Linux infrastructure as a service. Virtual machine disk can be encrypted, right? So then it uses industry standard BitLocker feature of Windows and DM-Crypt feature for Linux machines. So then it'll encrypt your storages. Virtual machine storages can be encrypted. So I hope you know how to configure that. So if you go to virtual machines, if you go to this virtual machine, I'm going to go to disk here. So this is the operating system disk of the virtual machine. If I go to disk, then you can encrypt this one. So then you can encrypt the virtual machine disk. Okay. So then so then virtual machine, we can encrypt the virtual machines. It provides encryption for the operating system and the data disk, stored data, and Windows uses BitLocker, whereas Linux virtual machines will be used DM-Crypt. And then